Good morning, boys and girls. Happy Monday. I hope you enjoyed your weekend. For our morning work today, we're on Unit 4, Week 5, Day 1. The directions say to edit and write each sentence correctly. Circle the adverbs. Number 1 says, see the animals run around the tree. Fix it up. Rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 1. Number 2, it is cold everywhere. Fix it up. Rewrite it nice and neat on the line. Pause your video, do number 2. Daily math review, you know what to do there. Number 6 is a story problem. Some wrens were in an oak tree. A wren is a type of bird. 12 more wrens flew in. Then there were 35 wrens in the oak tree. How many wrens were in the oak tree before? So we're trying to figure out the original number of oak trees. We know that we added 12 more because they flew in, and then there were 35. So how many were there to start? To figure that out, we can find the difference between 12 and 35. So 35 minus 12 equals blank. So you're going to want to rewrite that problem, 35 minus 12, off in some of your blank space. And you're going to want to solve it to figure out the answer for both of these blanks. Pause your video, do number 6. Number 7, we're going to add by place value. So 372 plus 487 is. So add your hundreds, add your tens, add your ones, add it all back together. Pause your video, do number 7. Number 8, another story problem. Mr. Kane is laying carpet in his bedroom. He has 10 yards of carpet. He uses some of the carpet and has 3 yards left. How many yards did Mr. Kane use? So he has 10, we took some away, and then there were 3 yards left. So how many did he use? To figure that out, we can figure out the difference between 10 and 3. So 10 minus 3 equals, write it here and write the answer there. Pause your video, do number 8. Number 9, write the amount shown in 2 ways. So you're going to write it in cent notation, and you're going to write it in dollar and cent notation. Pause your video, do number 9. All right, let's start checking from the top. See the animals run around the tree. So we need a capital at the beginning of every sentence. Animals is spelled incorrectly. Animals is A-N-I-M-A-L-S. See the animals run around is spelled wrong. The owl is being made by O-U, so A-R-O-U, ow, and. See the animals run around the tree? Question mark. That sounds good. Let's rewrite it nice and neat on the blank. All right, number 1's all fixed up. Number 2, is it cold everywhere? Everywhere is a compound word, so we're going to circle it so we remember to write it all together. And this is asking, so it needs a question mark, not a period. And then we'll rewrite number 2 nice and neat on the line. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to find the adverbs. We're going to go back and circle the adverbs. Switch my pen. All right, let's see. See the animals run around the tree. Around is the adverb. That tells where. And then is it cold everywhere? Everywhere tells where. So there we go. We circled the adverbs. Let's scroll down. Switch my pen back. All right, 1 plus 8 equals 9. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 also equals 10. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 0 plus 8 equals 8. Scroll down, that story problem about some wrens, right? There's some wrens in the oak tree. 12 more flew in. Then there were 35. So I said find the difference between 12 and 35. So let's see. This is going to be 3. That's going to be 2. So that means 23 wrens were on the tree before 12 flew in. This one we're supposed to be adding by place value. So we're going to add all these up. This is going to be, whoops, 150, right? So we're going to have to regroup one of those hundreds. And then 2 plus 7 is 9. And so then we add all this up, right? And so this 100 is going up here. So now we have 800. Then we have 50. Then we have 9. So 859. Okay. Mr. Kane, the carpet problem. So we need to figure out how many yards of carpet he used after he started with 10 and there were 3 left. So we figure the difference between 10 and 3 is 7. So that means he used 7 yards of carpet. Write the amount shown in 2 ways. So we need to write the value of the coins first. So I'm going to do that. This is a great strategy when counting coins. Okay, we start with our largest coins first. 3/4 equals 75 cents. Right? So I'm going to write 75 plus 10 cents plus 5 cents. And we add all that up. That makes it 10, 70, 80, 90. So 90 cents. So $0.90. All right, you're all done with your morning work. Get started on your next assignment.